My name is Yuval. My wife, she's a really nice woman. And I work with iron then almost 40 years. In the last 20 years, mostly I make furniture and sculpture.
The last 10 years, I'm baking and cooking, and we opened here in this gallery, we opened a coffee on Saturdays only.
The iron, if you know what you want to do, it's a comfortable material.
We live here for 31 years in Matat. I remember that 37 years ago, when we got married, that you showed me there. We stopped by the tree, we ate some fruits, and I looked around and I said to you, you know what? In a place like this, I would like to live.
And here I'll find the silence and I can do what I like. It looks like we don't find the Galilee find us.